guys, Anxionetta Mum here.
And welcome back to another video. And today we're going to do, this is my normal intro. Hey guys, Anxionetta here. Hey guys, Anxionetta here. And today we are going to do another unboxing video. And today, this is only one, but we're going to do jumping. It's a one-player thing. Sorry, pet. So, she can't read that. Let's go. So, basically, it's one player, 60 challenges, easy to expert, and 7 tabs. So, we're going to unbox it. As you can see, I've already kind of done a little bit, and my mum's going to control it. This is my mum's face reveal, by the way. And, self-reveal. And this is my self-reveal. Hello. And, okay. You just do it like, I guess you just rip off the plastic. This is going to be a short video.
I think you need Anxionetta Mum's help.
I don't. I need Anxionetta Boy's help. I need I need ReptoBoy _ help. And Ultimate Player's help. And my own help. Oh, here we go. That's easy. Oh, this is my cat. Tula. Okay, so what is this? Oh, bunnies and toadstools and rabbits. No, rabbits and toadstools. What is this? Okay, let's open this. Oh, there we go. I opened it. Do you take these out? Nope. Put that there. Stuff. More stuff. More stuff. And then there's this. And then what's in here? 2 foxes. We're going to open these first because we saw these first. And then ooh, what is this? I don't know where we put these, so we're just going to stay with this. 3 toadstools and 3 rabbits. And let me guess, 3 foxes. There's only 2 foxes apparently, but that's fine with me. That's really fine with me. Subscribe to me. Hashtag sub to Anx. Hashtag sub to Strider. No problem. No problem, Strider, no problem. Okay. Now, what do I do with these foxes? Okay. I'll just put them over here. Now we set up the game, I guess. Maybe. And play it. Don't worry. Don't end the video if it's too long because I do a lot of long videos. Check out my 1-hour stream. Well, it's not a stream, but check out my 1-hour video, 16 subscriber special. It's a 16 subscriber special, okay. So this is number 1, I think. This is number 1, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Do I do that one?
Yep.
Okay.
Probably need to read the game rules, which is just there.
Game rules. Place your rabbits, foxes, and place the rabbits, foxes, and mushrooms on the game board as indicated in the challenge. The challenge. Okay, I can't sing the lyrics, but it's a basic. Okay, just download Geometry Dash. I don't know. Just from the App Store. Not like, please, but that's okay. Excuse me. 1. Oh yeah. 2. The object of the game. The object of the game is to move the rabbits and foxes around the game board until all the rabbits are safe in brown holes. What are you doing? What are you doing? Please go away. Just move out of the camera. Thank you. Okay, you can do that. Blah 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 blah. Free. Okay. I'm just going to create it. Number 1. Okay. This is gonna be easy. So this is white. And then the mushrooms. Look at the manholes. Boop. 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 Easy. Okay, there we go. This is how it looks like. No. No. Okay, this is how number 1 looks like.
Okay. Well, what do you need to do?
I have no idea. You can read this. This is, like, I'll give you a long time. Pause the video if you like. Yeah, pause the video.